In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make login page in Framer. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get a working login element into your project in just a few clicks. First, head to framer.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so you can access your projects and the plugin library. If you're new to Framer, the default dashboard layout is perfect for this. Just give the page a second to fully load so all the tools at the bottom bar appear. Next, open the project where you want your login page to live. This means navigating to your project from the dashboard and entering the editor. Once you're in the canvas, go to the specific page or frame where the login should appear. If you already have a layout, that's great. Leave some space for the component. If not, no worries, you can place the login first and design around it later. Keeping your layers panel tidy will make it easier to move and align things once the component is in. Now, look to the bottom of the Framer interface and click Plugins. This opens the plugin panel, which is where Framer keeps helpful add-ons you can drop right into your design. If your screen is small, or you don't immediately see it, try expanding the editor or hovering near the bottom to reveal the toolbar. Inside the plugin panel, you'll find a search field that makes locating exactly what you need much faster. Type in FramerAuth and click it. This plugin provides a ready-to-use authentication component designed to integrate smoothly with Framer projects. When you select it, you'll see details about what it includes and how it behaves on the canvas. Take a quick moment to confirm it matches what you expect, a clean, standard login layout that you can style to fit your brand. Finally, click Insert Component. Framer will place the FramerAuth component directly onto your canvas. From here, you can drag it into position, resize it to fit your layout, and tweak its appearance from the right-hand Properties panel, adjusting text, spacing, and button styles so it aligns with your design system. Keep in mind, inserting the component handles the visual and structural side. Depending on your setup, connecting it to a live authentication provider may involve separate configuration outside this walkthrough. For now, focus on placement, accessibility, and clear labeling so users immediately understand what to do. That's all it takes. Go to framer.com, open your project, click Plugins, select FramerAuth, and insert the component. With those steps, you've added a professional login experience right inside Framer, ready to style and fit into your page.